Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. How to add field, name, display label and change symbology. So please see my video to end, like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let we start. Here is our building shape file and we go to table. Here is table, we go to open table. Here is our building, we create new field. For create new field, we go to new field and we write here name, type, text and length as per your requirement. We take length 50 and OK. Our field is created. We write here name, building 1, building 2 and building 3. After it, we save it, click save, we save it and close it. For labeling, we click here symbology. Here is label, we select here single label and value name, we select here name and font as per your requirement, we select here Arial black and size, we write here size 20 and font, points and color, we take color. After it, OK, our label is display. And if you want to change symbology, we click again building and we go to symbology and here is symbology. You select as per your requirement, we select it and OK. Our building symbology change. So we successful add field, name, label and symbology. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. How to import data in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is QGIS and here browser and downside layer. If you don't have browser and layer, you go to view and panel. After panel, you select here browser and don't have layer, you select layer and here is adjust as per your requirement, you adjust it. After it, here is your all drive and you have data, go to that drive, we go to D drive and select our data and we select here file as per our need. We add here Shapefile, so we double click, otherwise drag, we double click, our data is add and you see here layer and our data is added. If you want to remove it, you right click and go to remove layer, you remove it. OK, our data is removed. If you want to add by drag, you select it and drag it, our data is added. And you see attribute table, you go to attribute, open attribute, here is all attribute, ID, name, all attribute as per your shapefile. And if you want to select anyone, you select it. Here is selected part, it is selected part, and if you want to more select, you select it. Our area is selected, and if you want to unselect it, you click any one, unselect, only one is selected. And if you want to select all, you go to selection tool and we select all is selected. If you want to unselect, you click side and unselect. If you want to change symbology, you double click on symbol and our symbology is on, and you change as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our symbology is changed. If this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Scaling and zoom function in QGIS. So listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comments. So let's start. Here is our QGIS, and you see here small scale, and we zoom in. Here is large scale. You see here is large scale, and here is small scale. Large scale means more detail and small area, and small scale means less detail and more area. If you want to fix in QGIS scale, so you go to downside and you see here scale bar, and we click here and we zoom. Here is large scale, you see here, and you select it. Here is small scale. Our zoom function and scaling process is complete. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to import Excel in QGIS. If you want to work in Excel using QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our Excel. We save Excel in CSV format. For save CSV format, we go to file and save as. We select here location. Here is our location, and we select here file name and save as type. We click here and select here CSV and save. Yes, and after save we close it. After it we go to open data source. We click here and we select here delimited test, and we select here file name. Click here and we select here Excel CSV file. After it we go to open. Our Excel is added here. You see here your Excel detail, all Excel detail, and after it you select here file format CSV. If you have other format, you select here as per your requirement. Our file is CSV format, so we click on CSV format. Geometry definition. Here is our geometry definition. We go to geometry definition. If you have coordinate, so you click here point coordinate and you select X and Y value. if you have not coordinate, you tick no geometry, and after it we add and we close it. Our Excel sheet is added, you see here. And if you want to see detail, you select it and go to open attribute, click here. Here is all Excel attribute, here is all Excel attribute detail. So our Excel is added successfully in QGIS. If any query, please write me comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial.